Sora 2 has taken over our For You page in the shortest time period possible. Most of the people think we are cooked, but we still laugh at the fact that it's so hilarious. So, here are the top 10 funniest doorbell fails recorded, or should I say created by Sora 2. Number 10. The monkey at the doorbell. That boy blew away. Number 9. Granny stopped feeding the bear.
Easy now, big fella. It's just supper. Here you go. Take it. That's it. Go on now.
Number 8. Alligator at the doorstep.
My truck is fastened. No, get inside now. Huh? Go! Inside, hurry! Hey, get back, get! Oh, shut the door.
Number 7. Halloween. Number 6. Wolves love Latinas.
Help me! Please open the door! Somebody, please! They're coming! Open the door! Please! Oh my God! Please! No! No! Help!
Number 5. This Amazon Prime package blew him away.
Hey! Open up! Please! Open the door! There's a tornado! Let me in! Come on! Oh, no, 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 no! Ah! Oh, oh, ah!
Number 4. Princess Jake Paul knocking at the door.
Tooth Fairy!
Number 3. This dog turned into a fighter real quick.
Well, hello there, buddy. Are you lost?
My house! Help!
Number 2. Monkeys celebrating Halloween.
Come on, hurry up!
Hey, open the door! Hurry up! You open the door! Candy!
Quiet!
What the? Cops, back off!
Run! Stop! Don't move!
Number 1. Crazy gorilla. What Sora 2 clip is your number 1? Write it in the comments, like and subscribe.